Welcome to Dave's Crooked Show, and for you today we have a drink. This one is called the Captain's Curse. It starts off with a shot, or 1.5 ounces, of Captain Morgan. Hey, it's the Captain's Curse. What other rum can you use? Then a shot, or 1.5 ounces, of cranberry juice. Three-quarters of an ounce of orange juice. A half an ounce of simple syrup. And now we want 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. And then you want to add about 2 dashes of bitters. And then pop the top on and shake. Oh, you obviously add ice to the shaker and to the glass that we're going to pour in. And then just pour it into an ice-filled rocks glass. And that's that. Captain's Curse. Done.